Have you ever imagined transforming simple ideas into stunning videos with just a few clicks? If so, you're going to love Vidnoz. Today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of Vidnoz, a trailblazer in integrating AI into video production. From its humble beginnings to becoming a global phenomenon, Vidnoz has reshaped the way we approach video creation. They offer over 200 cool video templates and over 100 AI lip-syncing voices. What's more is that you get free daily video minutes without using a credit card. But what makes Vidnoz stand out? Is it the way it turns text, images, or sketches into captivating videos? Or is it the seamless blend of user-friendly features with professional quality results? In this video, we will share the story of Vidnoz, a brand that's rewriting the rules of video production. Vidnoz was established in 2016 by Wise Reward Limited. They are headquartered in the United States, with offices in Chengdu and Shenzhen, China. The inception of Vidnoz was driven by a clear mission: to revolutionize the traditional video creation model. This ambition set the foundation for what would become a leader in the integration of artificial intelligence in video creation. The company's dedication and innovation culminated in 2023 with the launch of Vidnoz AI. This marked a significant milestone in Vidnoz's journey, ushering in a new era of AI-enhanced video creation tools. Beyond its flagship AI tool, Vidnoz has expanded its offerings to include additional products and services. One such notable innovation is Vidnoz Flex, an all-encompassing online screen recorder and editor. The backbone of Vidnoz's success lies in its team and corporate culture. The company is powered by a diverse group of professionals, including a visionary product management team, a dedicated AI development team with over a decade of experience, agile software developers, strategically oriented marketers, innovative designers, and empathetic customer support staff. This eclectic mix of talent and expertise fosters a culture that values collaboration, innovation, and a user-centric approach. This culture drives the continuous development of cutting-edge video creation tools, ensuring that Vidnoz remains at the forefront of the industry and consistently delivers products that meet and exceed user expectations. This journey, marked by innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence, sets the stage for understanding the essence of Vidnoz's market presence and its impact on the video creation landscape. Vidnoz revolutionizes video creation by leveraging AI to streamline the process. Its flagship product, Vidnoz AI, offers over 300 meticulously crafted video templates and more than 300 realistic avatars. It simplifies high-quality video production, making it easy and efficient. It also eliminates the need for actors or extensive production setups. Key features of Vidnoz AI include AI talking photos, text-to-speech conversions, and AI avatars, which collectively enhance the video creation experience. Plus, don't miss out on their AI headshot, acknowledged as the best in its field by Unite.ai, boasting a remarkable sign-up rate of 6 out of 10 users. These features are particularly beneficial in creating dynamic and engaging content. The usability of Vidnoz AI extends beyond its advanced capabilities. It is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to individuals with varying levels of experience. The platform's advanced features, like lip-syncing and dynamic gestures, make it suitable for diverse applications such as marketing, content repurposing, and training materials. Catering to a wide range of user needs, Vidnoz offers different pricing plans, which ensures accessibility to all. Parallel to Vidnoz AI is Vidnoz Flex, an all-in-one online screen recorder and editor. This tool simplifies the process of recording, editing, and analyzing videos, thereby enhancing the understanding of audience engagement. Behind Vidnoz's innovation is a skilled team, ensuring continuous adaptation to market trends and making AI capabilities cutting-edge. With customization for enterprises and personal channels, Vidnoz is committed to fostering business and follower growth through professional, cost-efficient video creation. Vidnoz has successfully established itself as a global entity in the video creation industry, marked by a significant presence in various key markets around the world. The company has made substantial inroads into major markets, including Brazil, the United States, France, Germany, and Spain. Together, these countries represent almost 40% of Vidnoz's market reach. The remaining 60% of Vidnoz's market share is distributed across other countries worldwide, indicating a widespread acceptance and utilization of its products. This extensive reach underscores Vidnoz's capability to cater to a global audience, transcending geographical boundaries. Vidnoz's market adaptability and growth trajectory are characterized by its continual evolution in line with market trends. The company's focus on creativity and technological advancement has been pivotal in its ability to offer simple yet efficient solutions to complex content creation challenges. This adaptability has not only fostered Vidnoz's growth, but also cemented its position as a forward-thinking leader in the industry. The company's approach is not just about technological innovation, it is also about understanding and responding to the diverse needs of its user base. Vidnoz emphasizes collaboration, sharing, and offering customized services for different levels of enterprises and personal channels. This commitment to addressing the unique requirements of its users enhances Vidnoz's market presence, making it a preferred choice for a wide range of video creation needs across the globe. Vidnoz is on a path of ambitious growth, focusing on elevating creativity through AI. Their vision involves using cutting-edge algorithms to turn user inputs into high-quality videos with stunning effects and captivating animations. To enhance personalized experiences, Vidnoz plans to expand its range of customizable templates and incorporate special effects and transitions, allowing users to tailor videos to their preferences. To stay ahead of market trends, Vidnoz is committed to updating AI capabilities for innovation and relevance. To be an all-encompassing platform, Vidnoz aims to broaden industry applications and cater to various needs from explainer videos to training and e-learning. By diversifying its reach, Vidnoz aims to reinforce its position as a versatile AI platform that caters to a wide array of video support and creative needs. The company aims to build a platform that is both relevant and highly sought after. And that's the remarkable story of Vidnoz, where innovation meets creativity in the realm of video creation. Vidnoz AI is an effective tool for teams, companies, and individual users looking to increase ROI and save costs by creating professional videos quickly and efficiently. We've seen how Vidnoz is not just keeping up with the times, but actively shaping the future of video production. So, what are your thoughts about the impact of AI on video creation?